Goko nĩ kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, maundu manyitanĩte kũnyitana. Thutha wa Court of Appeal overturn ruling ĩrĩa yamĩkirwo nĩ High Court. Rĩu andũ arĩa a mwena wa Rigathĩ wa Gachagua marauga Rigathĩ wa Gachagua no nginya angĩcoka ofici-inĩ ya Deputy President. Nĩkĩ ruling ĩrĩa yekirwo nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo kana nĩ High Court yarĩ against the law kũringana na Court of Appeal, tondũ Philomena Mwilu ndarĩ na mahinya ma gũthondeka bench ĩyo. Na ruling ya mbere yarĩ rĩrĩ, mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Kithure Kindiki apishwe. Toho kwĩna order yarutĩtwo nĩ igoti rĩa Kĩrũgũya. Order ĩyo yaugaga atĩa? Yaugaga atĩrĩrĩ, Kindiki ndakambe kwapishwo. High Court ĩgĩthi against ũrĩa Kĩrũgũya court yaugĩte. Now, reke ndĩmũthomere ũrĩa Cleophas Malala andĩkĩte, na hihi mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Gachagua nĩ gũcoka ofici ya Deputy President ona matekũiguana na Ruto. Tondũ arĩrĩ, Kithure Kindiki akĩrĩ hau against constitution, akĩrĩ hau kinyume na katiba. Ũhoro ũyũ nĩ ũrehete out of mixed reaction, nĩ ũtũmĩte kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa State House mapanic. In fact, ona kwĩna meeting ciambĩtie gwĩtwo kũrĩa State House, tondũ arĩrĩ, ĩno ruling ĩrarutirwo nĩ Court of Appeal ĩrokire ĩramatukania, tondũ Kindiki ndabatiĩ gũkorwo hau. Ũũ nĩguo Cleophas Malala andĩkĩte. Na Secretary General wa kĩama kĩa UDA nĩguo andĩkĩte, Kenya must go back to factory setting. Akauga atĩa? Na rĩu nĩho ndĩrenda mũthikĩrĩrie, ladies and gentlemen, tondũ haha nĩho hena ũhoro wothe, ũhoro ũyũ Cleophas Malala andĩkĩte. Ndĩmũthikĩrĩrie paragraph ya mbere, tondũ nĩyo ĩkuĩte ũhoro ta tha. Following yesterday's landmark ruling by Court of Appeal, which declared that Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu acted unconstitutionally in empaneling the three-judge bench to hear the impeachment case against second Deputy President Rigathĩ Gachagua, it is now clear that High Court order issued in Kĩrũgũya remains valid and binding. Area ruling yekirwo nĩ Kĩrũgũya Law Court. Okay? Kende akauga, this means that the conservatory orders granted by Justice Richard Mongo staying the impeachment and barring Professor Kithure Kindiki from assuming the office of Deputy President are still in force. Rekana conservatory order ĩrĩa yarutirwo kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa Kĩrũgũya Law Court yaugĩte Kithure Kindiki ndaka apishwo, so mamu apishire against the law, so they should recall Kithure Kindiki. Kithure Kindiki ndabatiĩ gũkorwo thĩinĩ wa office of Deputy President. Makĩigua ũhoro, ĩno nĩ ro we andũ a Ngai. Kende akauga atĩa? This means that the conservatory orders granted by Justice Richard Mongo staying the impeachment and barring Professor Kindiki from assuming the office of Deputy President are still in force. Okay? In effect, Honorable Rigathĩ Gachagua remains legitimate Deputy President of Republic of Kenya. Mũndũ ũrĩa legit Deputy President kũringana na ũrĩa ruling ya ira. Mũndũ ũrĩa legitimate na mũndũ ũrĩa legit agĩrwo Deputy President wa Republic of Kenya nĩ Rigathĩ wa Gachagua. Kithure Kindiki alitupiliwa mbali nĩ ũndũ wa conservatory order ĩno yarutirwo nĩ Kĩrũgũya Law Court, na ĩno conservatory order yarigagĩrĩria Kithure Kindiki apishwo. Makĩigua? Nĩ twende tũigue ũrĩa Cleophas Malala augĩte, tondũ mambo imechemuka wadau. This position is not driven by pursuit of political power, but by a deep commitment to uphold the spirit and letter of our Constitution. It is informed by the undeniable reality that, despite the irreparable breakdown in the working relationship between President William Ruto and Deputy President Rigathĩ Gachagua, stemming from ideological differences, mutual mistrust, and perceived acts of betrayal by President Ruto, the Constitution does not permit personal or political disagreement to override the due process of law. The rule of law must prevail over political expediency, and constitutional enforce holders must be accorded to the protection and dignity their offices command, irrespective of shifting political alliances. Tafas Malake de Akawatia. Inevitably, the current administration has irretrievably lost legitimacy. What we now have is not a government, but a hollow shell, oblong in shape. Oblong ne konanya adoya matoi, oblong ne oblong ne rectangle, by the way. What we now have is not a government, but a hollow shell, oblong in shape, directionless in ideology, and incoherent in structure. A staggering majority of cabinet secretaries vehemently opposed the president's 2022 campaign agenda and are now shamefully pretending to implement it without conviction and consistency. Parliament is now a compromised chamber hijacked by a clique of transactional leaders whose alliance is not to the constitution but to political expediency. Okay, the lack of defined majority has rendered the House a toothless entity incapable of meaningful oversight or legislative independence. Worse still, part of opposition has become tragic parody of itself, muzzling, co-opted, and tragically completed, echoing state narratives in the morning and contradicting them by nightfall. Makena alari ohoro wa ODM. Na ugiro ohoro wa ODM haha ohoro wa opposition makoto makiji contradict. Age mahora Ruto, age memona wa Ruto, age no matira menya ore magirwo kuga, age makahora thirikari, age matira hora thirikari, ona ODM yenyewe as we speak nenyamo etukanirwo. Now that the process of reconstitution independent electoral IEBC is underway, it is my by the way, IEBC nira thondekirwo na chairman aumete kuria Turkana. By the way, I hope you saw it. Chairman aumete ni mundu wa Turkana hena andu angi hau uguo. Now that the process of constitution IEBC is underway, it is my unequivocal view that the president must act in the highest interest of the republic by dissolving the government and seek a fresh mandate from the peoples, this time with newly assembled patchwork, coalition, and so-called blood-based partner. As stands, his government no longer reflects the will of the people. Kenya is full-blown constitutional and government crisis. We are not merely at crossroad. We are teetering at the edge of collapse. Kenya must go back to factory setting. Oshane Cleophas Malala kereria ohoro uyu wa mundu ogwitwo Kindiki na Rigathi wa Gachagua. Auga Rigathi wa Gachagua ni legitimate deputy president as we speak. He is legitimate deputy president na makigwa statement yothe areketie kurekereria guku nenda-ini. Now, Kithure Kindiki ni kuma ofishini. That's a big question. Kithure Kindiki ekora nako. Eno ne igoti rarurire. Magiro ufata katiba. So, that as we speak, legitimate deputy president ati afati ukoro mundu ogwetwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ni undu wa conservatory order iria yarutirwo thini wa Kiloya Law Court ikirigereria mundu ogwetwo Kithure Kindiki apishwo. Guys, what's your take? Wani manyu Michael inywe murona na mulika igo ya kesi ya Rigathi wa Gachagua. Aloya yake ni madhiye muno na makiuga deputy mundu ogwetwo Muiro dafati guthondeka bench iyo. You can remember, no makirega makiendelea. Now see how things are. Mambo ina backfire. Mambo ina wabackfire. Keda kwa yaterere. Mudo wetwo must go. Ena kaida karitu muno. Anyway, it is what it is. Uone guokore. Guko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. God bless you.